the view. It's under the bridge. Hello. Oh, it's kind of rocky. It's really hard. Wait, my camera is not good. This is the bridge. It's under the bridge. We have to be careful because... Ay, katakot! Ang ganda!
Guys, magpapalipas ako ngayon ng palapatids, guys.
Wait lang, wait lang. O sige, paliparin mo, palipad. Palipad mo. Noah, dito muna, Noah. Wala, nandun na. Lipads na. Ay, ang sakit man ng tuhod ko. Saan?